Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about some important MCQs on Talcott Parson. These MCQs going to helpful for many exam like UGC NET, JRF, SLET, SET, UPPGT, UPHESC, LT, UKPSC and many more exam which is related to sociology discipline. सो इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताने वाली हूँ कि जो यूजीसी नेट एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है हमारा जून 24 को, तो इसमें उसकी प्रिपरेशन के लिए ये वीडियो जो है बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होने वाली है। इसमें हमने टॉलकट पार्सन जो कि एक स्ट्रक्चर फंक्शनलिस्ट हैं, उनसे रिलेटेड 20 MCQs यहाँ पर मैं लेके आई हूँ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम अपनी इस वीडियो को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हमारा, देख लेते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द सेंट्रल कॉन्सेप्ट इन टॉलकट पार्सन सोशियोलॉजिकल थ्योरी? क्या आंसर हो जाएगा इसका? ऑप्शंस देख लेते हैं। सिंबॉलिक इंटरैक्शनिज्म, स्ट्रक्चर फंक्शनलिज्म, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट थ्योरी, सोशल एक्सचेंज थ्योरी। बहुत इजी है, अभी मैंने बताया 2 मिनट पहले। तो इसका जो आंसर हो जाएगा दैट इज़ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, स्ट्रक्चर फंक्शनलिज्म इज़ अ करेक्ट आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। जो टॉलकट पार्सन है ये हमारे स्ट्रक्चर फंक्शनलिस्ट हैं और इनकी जितनी भी सोशियोलॉजिकल थ्योरीज है दे ऑल आर रिलेटेड टू स्ट्रक्चर फंक्शनलिज्म पर्सपेक्टिव। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which of the following is one of the 4 functional imperatives that is agile in Parsons theory? Option A, adaptation, innovation, governance, learning. The correct answer for question number 2 is adaptation. Okay, because adaptation is related to Parsons agile model, that is A denote adaptation, G goal orientation, I integration, L latency. Okay, now question number 3. In Parsons agile framework, which function is primarily concerned with production and allocation of resources? ठीक है, ऑप्शंस देख लेते हैं। एडेप्टेशन, गोल अटेनमेंट, इंटीग्रेशन, लेटेंसी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, the correct answer for question number 3 is adaptation. Adaptation is correct answer for question number 3. Now question number 4, Talcott Parson concept of the social system refers to? Social system. Option A, the biological aspects of human behavior. Option B, the psychological motivation of individual. Option C, the network of relationships and institutions that make up society. Option D, the economic system of a society. Question number 4. The correct answer is option number C, the network of relationships and institutions that make up society, that is the social system. Okay. Now question number 5 is, which of the following best describe Parsons' view on the role of family in society? Option A, the family is an outdated institution. Option B, the family is primarily an economic unit. Option C, the family is essential for socialization and stabilization of adult personalities. Your option D, the family should be replaced by state-run child care. The question number 5. The correct answer for question number 5 is option C, the family is essential for socialization and stabilization of adult personality. Now come into the question number 6. According to Parsons, which system is responsible for maintaining the value and norms of society? Economic system, political system, cultural system, social system. Easiest question. The answer is cultural system. Okay. Now question number 7. Talcott Parson was influenced by which of the following sociological theorists? Karl Marx, Max Weber, Herbert Spencer, George Herbert Mead. Easiest question. The correct answer for this question is Max Weber. Question number 8 is, in Parson theory, what does the L in the agile framework stand for? Leadership, latency, liberty, legitimation. L is denote latency. Option B is the Correct answer. Now, question number 9. Parsons' concept of pattern variables is used to describe what? Pattern variable. The economic patterns in different societies, the choices individuals make in social interaction. Option C, the stages of societal development. या option D, the role of different social institutions. The correct answer is the choices individuals make in social interaction. Now question number 10. Which book is one of Talcott Parsons' most influential work? Option A, The Division of Labor in Society. B, The Structure of Social Action. C, The Protestant Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism. Option D, Society in America. Easy question. The answer is The Structure of Social Action. मैंने बुक पर बहुत सारी वीडियो बनाई है, आप जाकर देख सकते हैं. जितनी भी मेन मेजर बुक है सोशियोलॉजी की, वो सारी की सारी उसमें आती है. तो जो पहले वाली बुक है ये किसने लिखी है आपको पता होगा. ये लिखी है कार्ल मार्क्स ने, ये वाली लिखी है मैक्स वेबर ने. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 होगा ये, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. What is the main goal of the goal attainment function in Parsons' Agile framework? Goal attainment. To adapt to the environment. B, to set and achieve societal goal. या फिर to integrate different parts of society. या option D, to maintain latent pattern maintenance. 11. The answer is option B, to set and achieve societal goal. That is the correct answer for question number 11. Now question number 12. Which of the following best describe Parsons' view on social order? Okay. Option A, social order is maintained through coercion and power. Social order is result of shared value and norms. Social order is illusion created by dominant groups. या social order is irrelevant in modern society. क्या होगा आंसर? The answer is option number B. Social order is result of shared values and norms. Now, next question. According to Parsons, what is the primary role of political system in society? To managing economic production, to facilitating social integration. Option C, achieving collective goals and making decisions. या D, preserving cultural traditions. The correct answer is option C, achieving collective goals and making decision is the right answer for this question. Now next question is here. In Parsons theory, which type of action is characterized by being oriented through a goal and guided by norms and values? Traditional action, affective action, rational या value rational. The correct answer is value rational action. Now next question. What does Parsons mean by equilibrium in social system? Option A, a state where all social conflicts are resolved, a balance where the needs of different parts of society are met, a situation where social change is impossible. Option D, a state of perfect equality among all individuals. यहाँ पर एक कीवर्ड है और जो कीवर्ड है दैट इज़ द बैलेंस. ओके, द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, a balance where the needs of different parts of society are met. Now next question. Which of the following is an example of a pattern variable in Parsons theory? Pattern variable. Universalism versus particularism. B, wealth versus poverty. C, democracies versus autocracy. D, innovation versus tradition. Very easy. The answer is option number A, universalism versus particularism. Now next question. How does Parsons describe the process of socialization? Option A, as an economic transition, as a mechanism for transmitting culture and norms, as a form of social control. या option D, as a political act. Correct answer is it is a mechanism for transmitting culture and goals. Now next is, in Parsons theory, what is structural differentiation? Structural differentiation. Okay, the process by which individual develop unique personality. B, the division of labor into specialized roles and institutions. C, the creation of social inequalities. D, the breakdown of social norms and values. The correct answer is the B, the division of labor into specialized roles and institutions is the correct answer. Now next is, which of the following is a criticism often leveled against Parson theory? They overemphasizes the role of conflict in society. They are too focused on individual agency. They are overly abstract and difficult to test empirically. They neglect the importance of economic factors. The correct answer is option number C. Okay. Now next question and the last question for today. What is Parson's view on the relationship between social system and individual behavior? Options is, social system are irrelevant to understanding individual behavior. Individual behavior is primarily shaped by biological factors. C, social system and individual behavior are interdependent. Option D, individual behavior determine the structure of social system. The answer is option number C, that is social system and individual behavior, they both are the interdependent with each other. Okay, so these are the 20 important questions which is related to Talcott Parson. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please do like and subscribe and do comment plus share my video, and thanks for watching this video.